did. Stunner, #1 stunner. That's your new song.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh bitch, come to me now, right now. That was a good hook.
Hey.
If you have Down syndrome.
Your sass.
I didn't mean it.
What is this guy doing? Oh, that's what he's doing. Hello.
Oh fuck.
Kim?
Woo! Why doesn't it say Penta kill?
What does it say?
It says 5 kills.
It goes, yeah, what? It goes double, triple, quadra, and then you got
5 kills.
Right?
It's so stupid, dude.
No, just get 100 skull.
Fuck that, we can quit. Or we can win this shit right now. Actually, no. Yeah, we can win. Yeah. Woo!
I wanted XP. Oh, Mia.
Oh, nightmare.
You wanna go?
No.
I'll probably win.
No.
I'm not very strong. Fuck.
Let's see, who can we get in here? Oh, trance, that's right. Trance!